Alright, good evening once again. Welcome to this YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing us how to make this image right here. I'm going to be showing us how to make this image right here. Okay, this image, that's what I'm going to be showing you, how to make a text like this, a very nice text like this, using your pixellab. So it's very easy. Just follow the step one after the other. And before I continue, don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button, on the notification, because I'm going to be dropping another nice video on this channel. Okay, so just subscribe, like, and on the notification button right now. So I'm going to go straight to what we have today. So I'm just going to delete this right now. Alright, so now we are going to be working on the size we use for this text. So you are going to select the size from this template, these three dots here, that three dots at the top. That's what you're going to use. Okay, the number you will call, yes, that three dots. You're going to simply click on it and then select image size. Okay, if you look carefully, you see image size. Select image size. Alright, then you're going to click this arrow here facing down. You're going to click it and select the one that says YouTube thumbnail. Yes, that's what we're using. So I'm going to select it and press my OK. So now we've gotten the size or space of what we want to design on. So what do you do next? You're just going to import some file and add up now. So I already have the file downloaded in my mobile phone, so I'll advise you to download yours when you want to use yours, or comment in the section that you need the resource and then I'll give it to you. So let's get going. I'm going to import it right now. I'm going to go to my downloads. Alright, I'm going to select this. So as you can see, I've selected one of the image we're going to be using which is this wooden dark image. So I'm going to press on my OK, and I'm going to go to my relative size. Okay, I'm going to go to my relative size, which is here. Click on my relative size, and I'm going to just draw this bar to the end, this bar right here. I'm going to draw it down to this side. Okay, so now try it and I'll click on my check mark. So now this image has filled the space. What do I do next? I'm going to click on the layer bar here. I'm going to click on the layer bar here, and I'm just going to lock it. Click on that padlock you're seeing there. I'm just going to lock it so that I won't move around. Okay, so that I won't move around. So we're going to do the same for the second image. So I'm going to go and import my second image. I'm going to use the same process. Alright, lock. So I've gotten my two image intact. We have the light brown and the dark brown. So that's that for that. So what do I do next? I'm going to import my brush shade, which I've downloaded from Google. So I'm going to import. I'm going to select this brush shade, this one in particular. I'm going to select it, and then how do I make use of this without this white bar or something? It's very easy. Just scroll your toolbar to where you see erase color. So you click on your erase color, and you're just going to on it right here. If you look carefully, you're going to see a button here. You're just going to on it, and then the white has gone automatically. And then you just draw it to this extent, because I don't want to see white on that image. So I'm just going to fill it so that I can't find any trace of white on that black image. So I'm going to click on my check mark button, and there we go. Okay, so as I said earlier, if you need any of this resource, just comment on the comment section of this video. I need the resources. I'm going to forward it to you. Okay, so before I continue, also I'll remind you again to subscribe. It's very important. Why? Because I'll be dropping more awesome updates on pixellab again. So when you subscribe, you get notified after on the notification button whenever I drop good and inspiring tricks on pixellab. So we're going to go back to our design. So now I've erased the white part of it out of the image, so I'm going to place it how I want it to be. Okay, then I'm going to do my locking, the same lock. Alright, that's it. So I've locked that image right there. So if you click on your layer, you're going to see three layers, which is the brown dark one, the light one on top of it, and the black on top of it, the black brush on top of it. So what do you do next? You add your text. Okay, you just click on that capital letter A that is below there, that capital letter A below here. You just click on it, and then you click on your plus sign. Your plus sign is at the left hand side of your screen. You do left hand side. See it here, see it here. So you just click on the plus sign. After clicking on the plus sign, I'm going to edit, and I'm going to write what I want to write. So today let me just write okay, let me just write tutorial. No, let me use tutorial. I'm going to use tricks. Alright, so I'm going to click on my OK sign, and I'm going to bring the text to the center. I'm going to make it bold. You can make it bold whatever size you want, but I'm going to leave my own like this for now. And I'm going to go to my font. Just scroll the toolbar, look for font. As you can see, the font is below here. Yes, the font is below here. Chidera, I said below here. I don't know where you're going to. Yes, it's below here. So I'm going to click on my font. And already I've downloaded the font I want to use for this design, and the font is called Sector. In case you are confused, the font I use is called Sector. The Sector comprises of these two fonts you are seeing here. So I'm going to select the one below, Sector, sorry, it's called Sector. So I'll click on my OK. So as you can see, I've gotten my sector, but there's an issue if you look closely. Okay, if you look closely, you're going to see an issue. If you look at this S at the end, you see that the S is not complete. Yes, so how to solve that is very simple. Just scroll your toolbar, look for padding. Yes, look for padding. So you click on your padding. I'm just going to increase this down part. I'm going to draw it this way. So as you can see, the S is full now. So that's that for that. So I'm going to change these streaks to a black color first. I'm going to change it to black color. There we go. Then what do you do next? You click on your check mark and you look for texture on the toolbar. As you can see, texture is below, right here below. Yes, so you click on your texture. After clicking on your texture, you click on this gallery sign or image sign. Okay, if you look, you're going to see something like gallery sign or image sign. Click on it, and then I'm going to pick an image. So I'm going to be using this light brown image right here, this one. So this is what we'll be using, so that's to blend on the top layer. Okay, I'm going to click on my OK. So as you can see, it's the same with the top layer. So what do I do next? I click on my check mark sign. There we go. So what do we do next? You scroll your toolbar down and you look for stroke. Just select your stroke, you on it, and then increase the width. Increase the width of your stroke. Whoa, yes, we are getting there. Yeah, and I click on my OK. So it's as if my T is having some issues. So I'm just going to go to my padding again. Yes, now my T is full. So I'm going to bring it this way. So as you can see, we have streaks on a black brush surface on a light brown wooden surface, and then the dark brown wooden surface is beneath. So what do? I lock my work as usual so that they don't move around. So how many layers do we have now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. So what do you do next? You're just going to click on this sign here by showing check mark sign and multiplication sign. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to see these things pop up. Those things are for you to select. So I'm going to select my brown layer, my dark paint, and my effects. After selecting them, I'm going to click on this icon here. Looks like something like merging. Yes, it's called merging. So I'm going to click on it and click on OK, because they're asking me, are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? And then I'll say OK. So there we go. Those objects have been merged together. So what do? I lock it so that I don't move about. So that's that for that. So the last step to get your results is just to click on that up layer which you've merged them together. After clicking on it, you look for erase color. Look at it here. And now look at it here. Erase color. Yes, click on erase color, and I'm going to on it, and then click on this sign. This sign is called pick. This sign you are seeing here is called pick. Click on the pick sign, and I'm going to place the pick sign on the color I want to remove. So if I want to remove this brown color, that's where I'm going to place it. If I want to remove this dark brown, this is where I'm going to place it. So I'm going to place it on the black. It's the black I want to remove. Then I click on my OK. So as you can see, automatically it has removed the black color. Yes, so this is the result we have, but to make it more realistic, to make the down layer show, that's what we are going to do next. As you can see, this is the exact result of what we are meant to do. So I'm going to go to my color filter on the toolbar. Sorry, I'm going to click on my layer, go to the down layer, and then go to color filter. On the down layer, I'm going to go to my brightness. Yeah, let's go to my brightness, reduce my brightness a bit, and then click on my check mark sign. So boom, this is our result. So do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get updated. If you don't want to miss any of these amazing pixellab tricks, just click on the subscribe button and the notification button. You can also do it to like. And please, if you need any resource pertaining to this video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.